Introducing the Assuaged app, providing all the essentials to an organic, plant-based, sustainable, and cruelty-free lifestyle. Our app provides you with amazing recipes full of flavor and a myriad of health benefits. We even make personalized meal plans. When it comes to body essentials, we try before you buy and share our top recommendations with you along with where to find them. We screen the top food products and supplements to determine the best of the best to share for your optimal health and awareness. Assuaged illuminates topics of vegan lifestyle, alternative healing, disabilities, chronic illness, environmental and animal rights, and more. Easily find and save product descriptions, ingredients, and locations to purchase online, all in our app. You are ultimately the only one in control of your lifestyle and future, and Assuaged is here to assist you in discovering the cleanest, most sustainable plant-based choices to support you and your health along the way.